Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to see contact SAF in a Google account on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the Google first. Here I'm gonna open my Google applications, or also here you can open your Google account by the settings, yeah guys, because on Android there are a Google settings. Here I'm gonna open my settings and now scroll it down until we find here the passwords, passkey and account. Tap on it and we'll see this is our Google account. If you wanna open your Google account, you can open it by these options. It will be look like this. It will same if you open it by the Google applications like this, I guess. Just tap on this, manage your Google account. So in this page, you just have to scroll it down a little bit to see your contacts that saved to your Google account or Gmail, I guess. Go to this people and sharing, and after we'll see the contacts. This is the contacts that saved to my Google account, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough for me, the tutorial how to see contacts saved in a Google account on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.